All right, guys, this is 2017-2018 Prizm basketball retail. There's one autograph per box, one auto per box. We're doing 2 random teams per spot. Everybody that's in on the break is right here. 2 random teams per spot. We're going trade wins down to trade wins. Copy everybody and bring it over to random.org. Paste you guys in there 2 times. You get 2 random teams per spot. As always, we go 9 times on the random. Good luck, everybody. 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 times. So we got Julian H on top and Matt H on the bottom. Copy everybody. We'll bring it back over here to the basketball spreadsheet. And paste you guys in. All right, guys. Thanks again for getting in on this. Appreciate it. Prizm basketball 2017-2018. Earthquake. All right, that looks good. Here we go, Prizm. Good luck, everybody. So 24 packs, 4 cards per pack. There we go. Pack 1. Good luck, everybody. First up is Tyler Ulis. Rookie for the Pelicans, Frank Jackson. Frank Jackson for the Pelicans. And first insert is Miles Turner. Get hyped for the Pacers. And we got a coach for the Knicks, Jeff Hornacek. All right, first up, going out to the Kings, Frank Mason. Frank Mason for the Kings. And Tony Snell for the Bucks. Insert for the T-Wolves, Andrew Wiggins, fundamentals. And rookie for the Lakers, Thomas Bryant. There we go. Next up, Cavaliers, Isaiah Thomas. Jameer Nelson for the Nuggets. Tyler Ulis, Prizm for the Suns. And Luke Walton, Lakers coach. All right, next up we got Jeff Teague, T-Wolves. Scott Brooks, coach for the Wizards. And we got an Earl Watson, coach for the Suns. Prizm, Phoenix. And Marvin Williams for the Hornets. Here we go. Dwayne Casey for the Raptors. Dwayne Casey. Shumpert. Justin Patton, emergent rookie insert for the T-Wolves, Minnesota. Minnesota, and that is, there we go. Trade wins. Emergent and Pau Gasol for the Spurs. So yep, should be one autograph at least in here, plus some numbered cards and rookies. Let's see what we got. Yogi Ferrell. Mari Carroll for the Nets. Vince Carter Green. Prizm for the Kings. Sacramento. That green Prizm. And Nene. Houston Rockets. Yeah, the retail stuff is loaded with the coach cards. I don't know. Maybe you hit a Jason Kidd autograph or something. Who knows? Hassan Whiteside, Joe Ingles, and Gortat Fundamentals insert for the Wizards. Blake Griffin base. Here we go. Marcus Smart for the Celtics. Michael Malone, coach for the Nuggets. Justin Jackson, a rookie Prizm for the Kings, going out to Sacramento. That's a nice one. Julian H. picking up that Justin Jackson Prizm. Very nice. And Dwayne Bacon, rookie for the Hornets. There it is again for the T-Wolves, Justin Patton, the bow tie killer. The bow tie killer, Justin Patton. For the T-Wolves, Malcolm Brogdon. TJ Leaf, insert, emergent for Pacers. And Ray Felton. Ray Felton going out to Oklahoma City. And still due for some ink. Still due for some ink. Let's hit a monster. Good luck, guys. VC. Vince for the Kings. Giannis. Giannis for the Bucks. Man, Rudy Gobert. Fundamentals insert for the Jazz. And Michael Kidd Gilchrist, Hornets. All right, first up is Karl Anthony Towns for the T-Wolves. Jason Smith for the Wizards. Oh, that's a nice silver to get. Ben Simmons. That's some speckles by his shoes. Ben Simmons, Prizm for Sixers. Very nice. And DeJounte Murray for the Spurs. What's up, T-Ball? Yes, I have personals, and yes, this is retail. This is a retail box that we're doing. All right, Lucas Nogueira for the Raptors. Jay Crowder. And next up is DJ Wilson going out to the Bucks, Milwaukee. And Ortega. There you go. Justin Patton This one? No. That was just a regular one, but there was two. No, no, it wasn't a silver. DJ is very nice. Bucks. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. DJ Wilson. There you go. To the Bucks. Very nice. And Chris Paul. Well, congrats, Ortega. All right, next pack. Here we go. Good luck. All right, Seth Curry. And there he is for the Brooklyn Nets. Jarrett Allen. And we got a green Lucas Naruka. Naga. Not going to work here anymore. Green Prizm for the Raptors. And Willie Hernan Gomez. Just got traded a couple days ago. All right, still looking for some ink. Let's get it. Dion Waiters. Dante Exum. And next up is a Kyle Lowry Fundamentals insert for the Raptors. And Malik Monk, rookie for the Hornets. All right, still got a bunch of packs here. Still waiting on some ink. Good luck, everybody. Let's get it. All right, Allen. Come on, Allen. There you can go, pal. Allen Krabby. And what is this? Steven Adams. Steven Adams for the Thunder. And there's another one for you, Ortega. Bada boom. That bad boy is number 13 out of 42. One away from his jersey number, which is 12. 13 of 42, Steven Adams. Very nice. Very nice, man. Congrats on that. Marcus Smart for the Celtics. That is a silver as well. And Patty Mills, base. All right, where is the ink? Still waiting on this ink. Let's get it. Let's get it. Andre Iguodala. And Dennis Schroeder for the Hawks. And Fundamentals Kyrie Irving insert for the Boston Celtics. And Fred Hoiberg. For the Bulls. First up is Markelle Fultz. Rookie for the Sixers, going out to Philadelphia. 76ers. That is Keith B. Very nice. And Mark Budenholzer for the Hawks. And Tyler Ulis, green Prizm. And Deontay Davis, Grizzlies base. Yeah. Brett Brown, Sixers. Tyler Lydon. And there's another one, OG. Another OG, a nobody. Toronto Raptors going out to Trade Winds. Picking up that OG rookie Prizm variation. You got the Jeremy Grant for the Thunder. All right, still looking for this autograph. One left on the Phoenix football. That'll be right after this. First up is Devon Reed for the Suns. And Diallo base, Pelicans. And Get Hyped, Gortat for the Wizards. And Miles Turner for the Pacers. All right, Earl Watson, Randy Watson, Solomon Hill for the Pelicans, and Andrew Wiggins going out to the T-Wolves, Minnesota, and Trade Winds, Andrew Wiggins. Very nice. And Tony Parker base for the Spurs. So we got 4 packs left. There better be some ink in one of these packs. Let's get it. Good luck, everybody. Next up is Justin Jackson, rookie for the Kings. Jeremy Lin for the Nets. And bam. There he is, bam, silver. Rookie Prizm going out to Miami. And Matt H. And Robin Lopez for the Bulls. Here he is again. Bam. For the Heat. And here's our hit. Who's it going to be? Dallas Mavericks going out to Dallas Keith B. Bang. Dwight Powell. Dwight Powell on, nope, not on card, sticker auto. Dwight Powell for the Mavericks. Very nice. No numbering on that one. And Buddy Hield fundamentals insert. Tyreek Evans for the Kings. Base. 2 packs left. First up, Ben Simmons. Base. John Collins, rookie for the Atlanta Hawks. And Julian H. John Collins. And another green Prizm, Karl Anthony Towns for the T-Wolves. And Doug McDermott. All right, last pack on the Prizm retail. We're getting right into this Phoenix. Got some other stuff going on right after that. All right, last pack. Good luck, guys. Jamal Murray for the Nuggets. Fundamentals silver, Damian Lillard. And bam, emergent again. 3rd bam going out to Miami. And Matt H. Emergent bam rookie. And Bogdanovich for the Spurs. So thanks again, guys, for getting in on that Prizm basketball. Like I said, we got status and some other stuff coming up right after this. Thanks again. Appreciate it, guys. Bambino, we're out.